Hello friends, my name is Joydeep Burman. This is a special video for the BLI student of Netaji Subhash Open University. The university has published the assignment for the session of July 2020 and December 2020. I know that most of the student face to solve the 6th paper, that is classification practice, and 7th paper, that is cataloging practice. So that I will help you to them to solving these two paper in this channel without any cost. You need not to spend any money to get the content of this two paper. Okay, so you have to do one thing only. Please share this video to your friend circle so that everyone can benefit from this video. Okay, so let's start the video. So here I will discuss about only the 6th paper. In 6th paper there is a question: audio visual approach to French for Tamil speaking learner. We know that 6th paper is about classification practice. We have to classify this book according to DDC 19th edition. Okay, what will be the notation, what will be the class number? Okay, at first we have to do the analysis of the notation. After that we will do the synthesis of this notation. After that we will write the class number of the book, particular book. The analysis will be for this book. This is a book of language. Okay, so that I have written here 400, that is 400 is the main class for language. I have written here 400 within square bracket. I have written main class, that is it is a main class, and after equal I have written language, that is this notation is for language. Below language, below 400 I have written 440. In 440, the notation number 440 is for Roman language, French language. Okay, and under the French language you will get an instruction. I have written the instruction in different ink. The instruction is base number for French 44. That is the if we have to use the French language, the base number will be 44. That's why I have written 44 in square bracket base number equal to French language, because this book is about the French language. Okay, now you can see here in French language I have given a asterisk mark in the schedule. In French language there is a asterisk mark. Okay, according to asterisk means there is an instruction. According to asterisk, in that particular page in the schedule you will get an instruction in below the page. The instruction is, I have written the instruction in the different ink: add to base number as instructed under 420-490. That's mean we have to go to 420 to 490, where the instructions are listed under 420 and 490. According to instruction we have to add the notation. Okay, then we have to go to 420, and after going to 420-490 you will get there the instruction to go to the table 4. In table 4 there is a notation. The notation is -834. The notation is for the audio lingual approach for those whose native language is different. This notation I have taken from the table 4. Why I have used the table 4 here? Because I have get the instruction to go to the table 4. That's why I have used here table 4. Okay, without instruction you cannot go anywhere. Okay, you cannot get the notation, you cannot add the notation from anywhere. Okay, without instruction. I I have get an instruction under 420-490. That's why I go to the table 4. Okay. And under that in table 4, in the notation of 834, under 834 you will get another instruction. The instruction is add language notation. I have written here differentiating 2-9 from table 6 to 834. That's mean we have to add the language notation from table 6 and to the 834, that is 834. After 834 we have to add the notation of the language, that is audio visual approach to French for Tamil speaker learner. Okay, for Tamil we will get the notation of Tamil from the table 6. Here I have written the notation of Tamil. The notation is -948 space 11, and within the square bracket I have written from table 6. I will get the I have got the notation from table 6. That's why I have written from table 6 equal Tamil. That's this notation is for the Tamil language. Now our notation is complete. Our analysis has been completed. Now we have to do the synthesis of the notation. At first we have to take the base number. Okay, the base number is 44 for French language. After that we have to take the notation of audio visual approach for those whose native language is different. This number we have taken from the table 4. So that I have written here the notation 834. After that I have written the language of written the notation of Tamil language. I have taken this Tamil the notation of Tamil language from table 6. That the notation of Tamil language is -948 space 11. Okay. Now we have to add all the notation together. Okay, that will be our class number for that particular book. The class number will here you have to mind it that the class number there is a rules for written the class number. Whenever we after synthesizing, whenever we write the class number after 3 digits, here the first 3 digits is 448. 8 from here 448. Okay, 448 after 3 digits we have to give a dot. That's why I have given a dot here. After that we have to write the another 3 digits, that is 349. After written the 3 digits we have to give a space in every 3 digits. After dot in every 3 digits we have to give a space. That's why I given a space, and after the space I have written 481. That this 3 digit, after this 3 digit I have to given another space, that is 1. Okay. You have to write the class number exactly in this way. If you forget to give the space, if you forget to get the, give the dot, then it will be a mistake, and your whole work it is a mistake. It is a big mistake. Okay, so you have to write the notation exactly in same way. Now we will solve another question. Okay. There is a question, middle class black Roman Catholic boys. According to DDC we have to solve this question. Okay, so we have at first we have to analysis first. After that we have to synthesize it. After that we will get the class number from the synthesis. Okay. This is the main class. This book is under the main class of social science. Okay, that's why I have written 300. It is the main class of social science. Under social science in 305 you will get the notation of social stratification. Okay, In under social stratification there is an instruction. I have written the instruction. I will discuss the instruction later. I have written the instruction in different ring. Acha, here the question is, this book is about middle class people, Roman Catholic boys. That's why boys, in the for the boys I have taken the two notation 305.23 equal young people. In the schedule you will get the notation for the young people. The notation is 305.223. Okay. After that I have written the notation 305-.3 equal men. This notation is for men. After that I have written the notation 305.55, that is middle class people. This notation for the middle class people. Okay. After that I have written the notation for the religious group, that is 305-6, and here is an instruction to add the different religion. We can add the religious person from the table 7. I have written all the instruction and I have added the Roman Catholic from the table 7. The notation is 305.62. Here I have added the 2. After the 6 I have added the 2 from the table 7. I have written all the instruction here. It will indicate the person occupied with Roman Catholic. Okay. Now the question is, in the question there is a middle class back Roman Catholic boys, but in the schedule you will not, there is a different instruction for the men people, for the young people, for the middle class people, different instruction they have in the Roman Catholic people, for the Roman Catholic people, but there is not instruction to add the notation. Okay, there is no instruction to adding the notation together. In previous case there was instruction. In that case there was instruction to add this number. That's why I have added all the notation together and I will make a class number. But in this case there is no instruction in the schedule to adding those particular number. Under the, I have told you previously, under the 305, that is social stratification, there is an instruction. I said that I will discuss later. Here we have to read the discussion carefully. What is the instruction? Okay, here the instruction is, unless other instruction are given, class complex subjects with aspects in 2 or more subdivision. Here in this case there is a 2 or here is a more aspects, more subdivision. Middle class people, for boys we can take the notation of boys either from men or for young people. These two notation implies the boys. Okay, so there is a different notation from the different part of the question. Okay, so there is a 2 or more subdivision in this particular book. Okay, in particular document of this schedule, in the number coming first in the schedule. If there is a more subdivision in a particular book but there is no instruction to adding them, we have to do here in the last line you can see the number coming first in the schedule. The notation which is first in the schedule we have to use. Here the first notation is young people, 305.23, that is for young people. Okay. We have to use in the case of middle class Roman Catholic boys this notation only, young people, because we cannot add the others notation because there is no instruction. So we have to use the notation which is mentioned first in the schedule, mentioned earlier in the schedule. Okay, Okay, you have to use this notation only. So in the synthesis I have written the notation of the young people, that is boys. Young people means indicates the boys. Yeah. Okay, we cannot add the middle class, we cannot add the Roman Catholic, because there is no instruction, and the notation of middle class and the notation of Roman Catholic is after the young people, so that we have to use the first notation only. Okay, which is coming first, we have to use only this notation. Whenever we cannot add them. Okay, they are in this case we cannot add them because there is no instruction. Without instruction we cannot add them. Okay, this is the rules of DDC. Without instruction we cannot do anything. Okay, so I have written in synthesis I have written the notation of 305.23, and within parenthesis, this bracket is called parenthesis. Within parenthesis I have written as per instruction under 305. That is, under the 305 there is an instruction, that's why I have taken this notation only. The class number will be 305 and 23, and I I am telling you that in the schedule and where is the notation, where in under the social stratification there is a notation unless, and after the notation you will get the example where you will get the notation of the middle class black Roman Catholic boys. In the schedule you will get the example of this. You have to check the schedule. Okay, you will understand that there is a example, and example is exactly this particular book, and the notation is there is after the example the notation is written 305 dash dot 23. Okay, so in this video I have discussed only the two problems. After in next video I will discuss the rest of the problems. Okay, so please student, please share my video, so that your like, share and comment will motivate me, so that I will help you more. Okay, so take care, bye bye.